Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Well, hello my lovely nestlings and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you just a bunch of looks with the Nomad Hudson Valley palette. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I am from the Netherlands, hence the accent. I'm also slightly orcish and relatively vintage, and I love to play with makeup. Let me give you some explanations. Slightly orcish means that I have an olive undertone. Relatively vintage means that I'm 46. I also have ADHD and I'm autistic, so I'm the complete package. If that sounds like something that you can vibe with, hit the subscribe button, because we are the bestest. Yes, the video of today is built up a little bit differently. Usually, I did receive this palette in PR. By the way, let me show you the close-ups. I did receive this palette in PR. I also have an affiliate code with them. It came to me pretty late, which is not their fault at all. Sometimes it just happens, you know, them being in America, me being in the Netherlands, it can take a while. But I really wanted to play with this palette. Now, I love Nomad as a brand. I don't expect to have any trouble with these shades, and if I do, I will let you know in a pinned comment. But today's video is just me doing a bunch of looks, playing with the palette, giving you some inspiration, and it's basically just with some music. Yeah, I thought let's try something different. I don't know how many looks will be in the video, probably a bunch, but you will see it in the title and on the thumbnail. So yeah, for now, just, you know, enjoy, recline, be fabulous like me, and yeah, be inspired, I hope at least, by the looks that I will show you with this stunning palette, and obviously leave below where you can find it. these were the looks of the video. Do you have a favorite? Let me know down below. I had a lot of fun playing with this palette. Performance wise, I think it performed very nicely. The lighter shade that I used today kind of fades away against my skin right now a little bit. But I kind of like how this turned out. So you can go from very soft and neutral to glam, to color, to full on autumn, whatever you want. I will leave down below where you can find the palette. You can use my discount code NikkiRaven10. Code is affiliated, so if you use my code, thank you so very much. And thank you also very much for watching. On the end screen I will leave the playlist with Nomad Cosmetics, so you can see all the other palettes that I have from them and maybe get some more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening. May your foundation always match your neck, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, the hair.